Good morning, YouTube, Facebook, right here, AOCleaning. Today we are in Festus, Missouri. Today is Thursday the 25th. Beautiful weather out here, guys. Absolutely stunning. And we are on a tile and grout cleaning job, carpet, and also hardwood floor resurfacing and recoating job. So a screen and recoat, guys. So this customer just bought this house, called us a couple weeks ago, booked on the spot after we do a little demo and put their deposit down, and then we got them scheduled. So today we're doing the carpet, the tile, and then we're gonna screen and recoat about 500 square feet of hardwood. And they did decide to go with the satin finish, and it is pre-finished floors, so we're gonna screen it and recoat it with a satin sheen. And they were so happy we were able to save the floors. And then after that, we're gonna come on schedule 2 weeks from now and do their duct cleaning. So they're getting a full meal deal, guys, because they just bought this house and they want a nice home to move into. So we're taking care of that. And remember, guys, a clean indoor environment is a healthy home. And that's what we do, guys. Remember, we clean for health and for appearance. So they're happy, they're excited. And then stay tuned for some more results and also a testimonial after we get done. Stay tuned, guys. No problem. It's a good background. All right, Facebook, YouTube, right here, AOCleaning. Let me show you what we're doing today. We're doing the tile and grout cleaning. We're doing some carpet and then some hardwood floor screen and recoat refinishing, which is our Dustless process, same day service. And they did decide to go with the satin sheen. And these are pre-finished floors, but we came and did a demo. And again, as you guys can see right over here, this was a good indication that our process would work, because we got some of those surface scratches out of the floor and just, kind of abrasions. And then we're gonna screen it down and recoat it, and it's gonna look beautiful again. So, all right, guys, let me show you these floors over here. Got about 500 square feet, a little over, little bedroom. You can see just in those marks, see all those right there? We're gonna get all that out with our process. This is not in the wood, it's on the surface. It's actually in the poly or the aluminum oxide, and we're gonna be able to get that out for them today. So stay tuned for the results on that. Got the little hallway. We're gonna clean the carpet here. We're also gonna touch this up for them as well here. And then we got a little bathroom towel here for them. Then we're gonna get it back to original state, which you can see typically on the edges. You see where it's supposed to look like, and then in the middle it gets a little soiled. That's why they need a good cleaning, and then we're gonna seal it for them as well. So here, we're also gonna do their steps. With their steps is a common red oak. And we're gonna screen that as well and recoat it with the satin sheen. And of course, we got a little living room down here. We're gonna clean for them, as well as bedroom area. So, yeah, guys, what we got going on. Stay tuned for results, and as always, thanks for watching. And also, one of our clients is a great host. He had a refrigerator full of drinks for us, so we love that. So, shout out to Jason. All right, guys, we already did the carpets. They look great. Now we're doing a tile. Let's go. Hey, yo. Let me zoom in so y'all can see this. This is what you guys' tile will look like. Look at that, guys. You guys see that? Right there. That's before, after. Look at that. Watch this. Look at that, guys. Look at that. Close up. See that? They're gonna love this. And then we can also seal it too, to let out the dirt. Zoom in. Look at that, guys. Stunning. Alright, stay tuned. Alright, Facebook, YouTube, everybody online, look at that difference, guys. We clean this, we did not clean that. Look at that. Here's the tall. You can Before you refloor it, call AO to restore it. Come on, somebody. Beautiful. We make your floors look beautiful here. Look at that, guys. Amazing. All right, guys. Screening now. Happy Thursday. Everybody's getting ready for Memorial Day. Everybody's out of school, all that good stuff. But we are getting this screen down right now. It's going good. Stay tuned. All right, guys, a little update. We're tacking the floors now. As you can see, we already screened it, and we already did the steps, as you guys can see. And then after that, we're gonna start polying. Stay tuned. All right, guys, going good. Got the poly down. Hey, yo, let's go. All right, guys, first coat of poly, satin sheen. It looks wet, but it's gonna flash off and turn satin. And yeah, stay tuned. All right, guys, a little update. We just got back. We've been actually waxing this dry for a little bit. We shut the HVAC off to help expedite the drying and make sure they're smooth. But look at that, guys. Look how smooth that is. It's like it's sprayed on. These clients are gonna love it. Still drying in there, so you guys can see. Still drying over here. But yeah, guys, satin sheen. This floor looks absolutely phenomenal. As you can see, this is the first coat too. You can just see all those scratches are gone. Look at that, guys. All right, guys, check this floor out. These guys are gonna love this floor. This is the satin sheen. Remember all those scratches that are on the floor? Check this out, guys. Those are all gone. Look at that. Look at that, guys. Beautiful. This is the Dustless process, screen and recoat. You see we're walking on it right now, just 3 hours later. Absolutely beautiful. This is only the first coat. We still got to put another coat down. But yeah, guys. We love saving floors. Just look at that. See that? That's all satin sheen. Hallway turned out good, so you guys can see. Looks like we just sprayed it on, guys. Yep. One more coat. It's a wrap. Stay tuned for a client testimonial. And thanks for watching. Man, beautiful. All right, guys, got done polying these steps. They look absolutely amazing. It's a win. Guys, this floor turned out amazing. There were some scratches right here, deep scratches, as well as right here. You guys can see, man, that is all gone. The client couldn't believe it. And be honest with you guys, sometimes I made it myself. I can't either. Wow. I couldn't believe I got those out and color corrected those areas. Look at that, guys. Beautiful. He was so excited to tell his wife. Beautiful satin sheen. Man, you can't even tell. Be sure to check the video before this or rewind it. You'll see these deep scratches in the walkthrough. They're all gone. Again, guys, this is the Dustless resurface screen and recoat, same day service. It's no sand, no dust, which is great. There's no odor, and you can walk on it clearly after a couple hours. So yeah, guys, this is amazing. Again, this is a pre-finished floor. We just resurfaced it, applied satin sheen, water base, did a little color correction with some scratches. As you guys can see, flawless. Stay tuned for some more results and a great testimony from the client. Thanks for watching. Y'all have a good day. Happy Memorial Weekend, and don't forget to hit the bell, subscribe, and follow us on Facebook. Thanks, guys.
We bought a new house, and we desperately needed to get our floors redone. The wood was scuffed up. The people who moved out did not care. And so we reached out, kind of read online, found a couple companies, but the minute that we found Ryan, we knew we were in for something that was credible and honest. Because not only the floors got redone, they looked immaculate, but the carpet got cleaned, the tile got scrubbed, and we're gonna get our vents cleaned in a week or two. So couldn't be happier with the partnership and this company. Thank you so much, Ryan. Appreciate it.